Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Natural selection graphs can be tricky, but we will crush this problem together. Let's analyze the phenotypic change shown here to find the correct scenario quickly.
Now we check the options for stabilizing selection. Option D describes house sparrows where small and large egg clutches both fail, leaving only the average clutch size to survive successfully. In contrast, option A shows disruptive selection because it favors two extremes over the middle. Since our graph shows the middle trait winning, option D is definitely our final winner.